is wide, no place to go, nowhere to hide. Clouds just drift without a name, never lost, yet not the same. Thoughts begin to fade, no more plans that I have made. Every worry slips away like clouds that never choose to stay. I don't need to understand where I'm going, where I stand. For a moment I'm just free, letting time move over me like clouds without a destination, drifting through imagination. I don't fight the way things flow, I just let it come and go. No more weight upon my mind, leaving everything behind. In the sky I finally see there's no need to hold on to me. Every breath feels light and slow, like I've nowhere left to go. In this calm I softly stay, watching all just drift away.
Bạn thấy nhá. Wow, coi mình. Bạn thấy đi. Còn lại cho con nhìn bạn hay kia con.
Until no sound at all, even echoes barely call. Time slows down inside my chest. In this silence I find rest. I sit alone without a word, listening to things unheard. Every second feels so near, like my own breath is all I hear. Nothing moves, nothing speaks, only silence softly peaks. Even thoughts begin to fade in the stillness that is made. Quite enough to hear my breath slowing down what's left of stress. Every inhale pulls me in, every exhale lets me begin. No distraction, no disguise, just the truth behind my eyes. In this silence I can be something closer to the me. Walls don't speak, they simply stay, watching time just drift away. I don't fear the empty space, it has somehow found its place. If I stay here long enough, will I learn to be enough? Or will silence break me down in the stillness all around? breathe and let it go. Feeling everything move slow. Nothing else I need to see. Just my breath and only me. Me. Empty streets, cold night, footsteps echo, no end. Heart lost in the dark, wandering without you tonight. I see a shadow I search for you, but it's never right. The city is loud, but I feel alone. Lost without you, I roam. I whisper your name in the air, hoping somehow you'll be there. Every corner reminds me of mistakes. I call your name, but it fades. Lost without you in this maze. The rain falls softly on my face. I try to run, but can't escape. Empty cafes and neon lights. Maybe you don't feel the same, but I can't let go the flame. I wander on until I find a place where peace comes to my mind. Lost without you tonight. The streets are endless, my heart tight. I hope one day you'll come through. Lost without you.